My dear students, great to have you here on Master Math with Rami. Today's lesson will be about multiplication. It's an important skill that will help you understand the problems more clearly and solve them better. Are you ready? Let's learn the topic together. Multiplication. Multiplying two or more numbers could be a part of any question within your IGCSE course, for example, finding the areas or volumes in geometric questions, finding a distance given, a speed and time, any part of a question, you may face the multiplication process. Different words can be used to show that you need to multiply two or more numbers, such as times, multiply, find the product. As soon as you see these words, you need to perform the multiplication operation on the numbers you see. Sometimes in the exam, you could be asked to show non-calculator method. Make sure you show all the non-calculator steps clearly. Before we start, we need to know about the multiplication table, and we have to make sure that we have memorized it. You see 2 times table, 9 times table, 10 times table, etc. It is the first step in any multiplication process, right? We all know that we have positive numbers to the right of 0, and we have negative numbers to the left of the number 0. The positive numbers have a positive sign on the left side of the number, and this sign can sometimes be hidden. We have negative numbers on the left side of the number 0, and they carry the negative sign on the left side of the number. For the same signs, multiplication process, I mean positive times positive, the result will be positive sign, and the negative number times negative number, the final answer will be positive. From here, for the same signs, multiplication, the result will be always positive in these two cases. And there is another case when the two signs of the numbers are different, I mean positive times negative or negative times positive. The result of the multiplication process will be negative, as you can see. We are going to solve a set of questions, starting with the simple ones and gradually moving on the intermediate ones, so that we can see a practical application of what we've just explained. So then let us start solving simple questions. As you can see, the first one is positive. There is a hidden positive, positive 3 times negative 2. Positive times negative equals to negative, different signs. 3 times 2, which equals to 6. So the answer is negative 6. The second one is positive times negative, also the same, negative. 5 times 4 equals to 20. Next, 7 times negative 1 equals to negative 7. 6 times 3, positive 6 times positive. As you can see, positive time positive, positive, and 6 times 3 equals to 18. And the other one is 9 times 5, positive, and 9 times 5 equals to 45. You can write it just 45. And negative 3 times 2 equals to negative 6. Negative 6 times 3 equals to negative 18, different signs. And here the same signs, then positive 10 times 5 equals to 50, or just write 50. As you can see, these were easy questions and we solved them easily. In this video, we're going to focus on long multiplication. Let us start with a simple question. Multiply 39 times 8. The first thing, we have to write them in the correct way. I mean, we have to write the ones over the ones and the tens over the tens. There is 0 here, hidden 0. No need to write it. Anyway, 8 times 9 equals to 27. So we have to write 2 here and add or carry over the 7 here. The second thing is we have to multiply 8 times 3 and add the 7. 8 times 3 equals 24 plus 7 equals to 4 plus 7, 11. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So the answer is 31. And our answer as total is 312. 312. There is another way that some students may like. It's an easy way. We have, as you can see, 2 numbers and one number. That means 2 columns and here's 1 row. 1 row. How can we write it? As you can see here, 2 columns, 1, 1, 2, and 1 row this is 1 row. And after that, we have to add a diagonal line in this way. And please, just and we have to write the numbers 39 times 8. Then we have to write those numbers together. 9 times 8 equals to 72, and 3 times 8 equals to 24. Then we have to add the diagonal rows. Add the diagonal rows, that means 2, this way, 2, and 7 plus 4 equals to 11. We have to add this one here, and 1 plus 2 equals to 3. So the final answer, sure, positive, since positive and positive here, 312. Another question, 956 times negative 4. The first thing is to multiply the sign. Positive times negative, the final answer should be negative, right? This is the first thing. Now, we have 3 numbers, that means 3 columns, and here 1 row, 1 row. So we have a table contained of 3 columns, 1, 2, 3 columns, and 1 row. So write 9, 5, 6 times 4. 6 times 4 equals to 24. 5 times 4 equals to 20. 9 times 4 equals to 36. Add the diagonal rows. This is equals to 4. 2 plus 0 equals to 2. And 2 plus 6 equals to 8. And here there is nothing to add. And 3. So our final answer, negative 3, 8, 2, 4. Negative 3,824. 956 times negative 4. The first thing, positive times negative equals to negative. Different signs. This is the first thing that I have to do. Then I have to multiply the numbers as they are. I mean 956 times 4. I have to put the ones over the ones. So 4 times 6 equals to 24. So I have to put the 4 and add the 2 up. 4 times 5 equals to 20. Plus 2, 22. Let's solve it again. 4 times 5 equals to 20. Plus 2 equals to 22. Then I have to put the 2 and carry over the other 2 up here. Then I have to multiply 4 times 9, which equals to 36, plus 2. 6 plus 2 equals to 8, and 3 plus 0 equals to 3. 3, 8. So I'll find the answer negative 3824. 3,824. Another question. 46 times 27. 46 times 27. As we can see here, we can write 46 times 27, ones over ones, tens over the tens. Then we have to start with the ones. 7 times 6, and the second thing we have to write 7 times 4. 7 times 6 equals to 42. We have to write the 2, add 4 here. 7 times 4 equals to 28. 28, but plus 4. Then equals to 80 plus 4 equals 12. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. So we have to write 32. Plus. So we stop here, we finish multiplication of the number 7. Then we have to multiply 2 with 6, multiply 2 with 4. 2 times 6 equals to 12. We have to write 2 here. Before we start, we have to put 0 here in the beneath the ones, right? So we have 12, 2, and 1. And 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8. Plus 1 equals to 9. 9. Then we have to sum. 2 plus 0 equals 2. And 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 9 equals to 12. So our answer is positive. 1242. 1242. So 46 times 27. So that means we have 2 columns and 2 rows. Then we have to write these numbers. 46 times 27. 6 times 2 equals to 12. And 6 times 7 equals to 42. 4 times 2 equals to 8. 0, 8. And 4 times 7 equals to 28. Then add the diagonal rows. I mean, here's 2. 2, well, there's nothing to add to. 2 plus 4 plus 8. 2 plus 8, 10. And 4 equals to 14. 1 plus 1, 2 and 8, 10. And 2 equals to 12. 1 plus 0 equals to 1. So our final answer equals to 1. Sure positive. 1, 2, 4, 2. I mean 1242. وهيك بنكون وصلنا لنهاية محاضرتنا لهذا اليوم. بتمنى تكونوا استفدتوا وتعلمتوا إشي جديد. إذا عجبتكم المحاضرة لا تنسوا تعملوا لايك وتشتركوا بالقناة حتى توصلكم الحصص الجديدة أول بأول، وتشاركوا الفيديو مع أصدقائكم. وإذا عندكم أي سؤال أو موضوع حابين نحكي عنه في الدرس القادم اكتبوا لي في التعليقات، وبإمكانكم تتواصلوا معي من خلال روابط التواصل الموجودة أسفل هذا الفيديو. أشكركم على المتابعة، ومنشوفكم إن شاء الله في المحاضرة القادمة.